In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently guide yourself through Google and utilize great Notion support services for setting up and personalizing your budget tracker. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and type Notion into the search bar. Hit enter, and you'll be greeted with a list of search results. Look for the official Notion website and click on the link. This will redirect you to Notion's homepage where you can start exploring its versatile options. Once on the Notion page, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. If you're new to Notion, take a moment to set up your account. It's straightforward and should only take a few minutes. Logging in will provide you access to Notion's full suite of tools where the magic of organization awaits. After logging in, navigate to the marketplace. This hub is packed with various templates and tools to streamline your workflow, but today we're here for something specific. Locate the search bar within the marketplace and type Personal Budget. This step is crucial because it will help you find several budgeting templates designed to simplify your financial planning. Scroll through the available options and select any template that captures your interest. Notion's templates are both user-friendly and customizable, making it easy to find something that aligns with your financial goals. Once you've made your choice, click on the Add button to bring the template into your space. Now head over to the side menu and click on New Page. This will help you set up a dedicated space for your budgeting needs, allowing you to organize your finances effectively. Here's where your creativity and personal requirements come into play. Customize your budget tracker to suit your unique financial situation. This is where Notion truly shines. Whether it's adjusting your income and expense categories or changing amounts to reflect your actual financial data, the platform makes it easy to tailor everything to your needs. As you set up, take some time to explore all the buttons and features available in your template. This exploration can unlock additional functionality, empowering you to handle your finances with confidence and ease. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to leveraging Notion's tools for a personalized budgeting experience. Remember, the more you experiment with different configurations, the more you'll get out of Notion. So, don't hesitate to dive deep into the options and make this tool your own. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!